in the middle of the sandstorm.
Katie, look.
You can't see
Katie.
nothing.
Whoa. Whoa. Sandstorm.
Ándale. Which one is this one? The Biscoff?
Yeah.
Which one?
Ice cream, the pumpkin caramel. That one's a cookie. That one's the pumpkin square. I think it's chocolate strawberry. That one's a sugar cookie.
Party in my tummy. Da 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 da.
Oh yeah, this is the private. Hold on. You wanna go see it, Tia?
The mango.
Why are you doing that?
Ándale. For Kenny's 15. Hug life. For real. Here at Animal Kingdom. Oh, ese es el que estaba aquí la otra vez, ¿verdad?
Oh, como el...
All turned over. It all. Oh, you spilled it all, buddy.
No, he ate them all. He's just a big bag. There's no pugs. Where the pug? For free, if they were all free, will you take them off?
Wait.
Now you're recording.
Another day here at Starbucks with the family, with the familia.
Wait, how many more drinks did you get?
2 more.
Oh, 2 more. 3 more. Grandote.
Five cookies.
With a little bit of sea salt flakes.
5 cookies, save one for that, okay?
It looks really orangey. Look, a little tree's going right there. All by itself. It's an extension of that tree. What?
Bruno, what happened? Be careful, don't miss peanut butter.
It's Reese's. Oh. There's chocolate. Oh, dang.
This batch of cookies came out good. Usually they come out kind of like raw looking. How do they taste, Kenny?
I think it's a semi-cookie, semi-chocolate cookie.
They're nice and warm.
Tomorrow in the morning,
My band practice.
would you just want to only eat chicken, Bruno? Nothing else? Get over here, look at Bruno. Because Bruno needs attention. Bruno needs to...
Bruno.
Hopelessly devoted to you.
The caramel.
This should be enough for you, Bruno. The door open? The door was open.
Jaden.
Here, I'll show you the mushroom.
Okay, show me the mushroom. What kind of mushroom is this? Growing out in the backyard.
There's a rainbow.
Oh, look at the rainbow.
There's like ways to look like that. Jen, look, here's a rainbow.
Whoa.
It's a rainbow. Does that mean God is never gonna...
raining.
Ay, ay, ay.
Raining.
No.
God is never... It's a sign from God. It's because of the rainbow. He's never gonna flood us again. Floods us. I'm just kidding. No! God! This is so magical. I could feel the spirit. Wait, what's it called again? Well, these signs from God. He's coming, Mom. He's coming. Nothing. He just comes. Wouldn't that be crazy? These are growing.
It's raining.
Oh, we came here to get some in Phoenix, Arizona. We came to get some nieve de garrafa, aka Mexican ice cream. If you guys are ever near here in Arizona, they're there on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Nieve de garrafa.